Hey, soul fam, Amelia Adair here. I hope you are feeling well and doing well. I'm feeling well, I'm doing well, and per usual, soul fam, we got a great topic for today. For those that are new to the channel, welcome. We welcome you. On this channel, we heal, we elevate, we grow, and we work on being better versions of ourselves than we was yesterday. And so, fam, it was heating up in our last video, literally. Our camera shut down, but we got all the juice out, all right? So this is going to be just an add-on to that whole new topic, relatable topic. All right, so fam, because what you have to understand, first of all, it's so beautiful out here. Let's just acknowledge this beauty. Before we even get into it, let's just acknowledge this beautiful, ooh. Hey, we got a beautiful walk. The sun is out, but we got a lot of shade areas. So we gonna take advantage because we be sweating, we be working hard, we be getting it popping. And if you ain't sweating, it ain't working, right? Right. All right, so fam, so we're gonna speak on how, and this isn't gender based, okay? So this isn't men and this isn't women. This is both. All right, because so fam, a lot of us are being fooled and distracted, and more importantly, fooled. Okay, like I think sometimes we don't hear, like we literally don't hear ourselves, and we have to start just talking out loud when no one's around. If you don't want no one to see you talk to yourself, say it out loud and hear it. Or write it on a paper and have a stranger just read it to you. Something so you can really hear yourself. Because, so fam, just take a minute and think about this. Think about this. We're going to walk this way. Oh, yeah. Walk this way. We're going to walk down this beautiful path. Hear this, so fam. We're here. We're here in this world. Okay, right? Ask yourself this. Why will you be brought here, okay, to strive to get a house, to get a car, to get a career, to get all that, and not, okay, and not master love in these relationships? Okay, so what you see, so fam, and it's already been happening. This isn't new. Okay, no one just speaks about it. You're gonna see older, successful, and they don't have to be celebrities, older, successful individuals who never worked on themselves, okay, and they're sitting around with their riches and things like that, and no one to really enjoy it with. Okay, you can share it. All right, you can easily share it. All right, but to enjoy it with someone, it's a different feeling. And so what we have to be understanding and learning, okay, from the mistakes is we have to learn how we're here. More importantly, more than anything, yeah, get your hours, yeah, get your bag up, yeah, I'm not saying don't do any of that stuff. In the midst, okay, so when you're in downtown, when you're sitting there scrolling on your phone and laughing and kicking, right, you need to be working on being a better friend, okay, being a better partner, more importantly. Okay, you need to be working on this to build that family, so that you don't build all of this empire and it's left to no one. And in addition, when you're sitting there and it's time to plan some trips and plan some vacations, I mean, it's fun to be alone. We be walking and talking alone. It's fun, okay? Love is amazing, okay? And when you work on loving yourself, you'll easily know how to love someone else. You'll easily know when to step back, when to say no, okay? and building that intuition in yourself, right? So that when you're with someone, you're not overstepping boundaries. Oftentimes, so fam, we're so disconnected from ourselves that we spoil our relationships because we don't know, we don't have no direction. We're not understanding one another. We're shutting down and we're shutting people out that some communication, some healthy communication can go a long way. No one wants to do this. Ladies, okay? No one want to just be like, okay. We've gotten so used to voicing and saying how I feel and speaking and just all over the place that we lost our sense of silence in a conversation. Not silencing someone and blocking them, and no. But when you're having a conversation with someone and someone's expressing themselves, shh. No one wanted just to throw in the towel. You don't have to get the last word. There's so much war in these relationships because everybody wants to be right and everybody wants to be heard and you're gonna get my point across, and we forget about the power of time will tell. Okay, so maybe right then and there, you won't be able to say what you want to say and get the last word and whatever. Just be like, okay, let it play out. Sometimes in these relationships, we learn from our mistakes. Most times. And when we're sitting in these relationships that we're asking for, and you know that person is making a mistake, let them make the mistake. Let them trip and fall. Which is one of the biggest blocks in these relationships. We would rather not have relationships, not build any relationships, not build connections because we don't want to mature. We've gotten so spoiled. We're chasing, we're not even chasing, we're focused on unimportant things. We're easily manipulated. It's like, excuse me. Ooh. Ooh, this is so pretty. Let me show you how this is so bad. They're playing some baseball over here. Oh, I don't even know what it is. I don't see bats. They playing something. When it comes down to those arguments and conversations we're having with people that we want in our lives, one, admitting it. We want these people in our lives. It's okay. It's okay to admit that, one. And two, stop working so hard to control others. We want people in our lives so bad that we want to try to control their every move. Not understanding we're not here to control one another. We're here to hear each other out. Let it go, let it fly. Let it go, let it fly. It's but so many times you want to go in a restaurant and just be sitting there by yourself. Because everybody else is going to be with somebody else. Not that that matters. But it's nice. Yeah, we're here to gain some physical things and enjoy it while we're here, these life friendships are more important, soul fam. These love connections are more important, soul fam. We've let the internet control us. We let these smartphones control us. We let these algorithms tell us what to do. We're absorbing advice that no one told you that no one told you that was for you. And if you are connected, you would know. All right, this is something to disregard. When someone's telling you about yourself, make sure it comes from a loving space. I was reflecting the other day, and I was thinking about the real people that came into my life and said some things to me. It hurt a little bit. I was just like, ouch. My spirit knew this person is trying to give you that tough love real quick. All right. And long term, you don't grow that. What's the word? I was looking at that chipmunk. There's little chipmunks running around through the meadows. Anywho, so fam, you don't grow that. I want to say remorse, but I know that's not the word. So fam, what's the word? Those grudges. You know when you hold those grudges against someone, you just have that bitterness. You don't grow to be bitter. Learning how to take that tough love as well. Meaning like when someone tell you something and you know it's true, don't be so quick to be like, take a minute, just hear it. Just hear it. Just journal about it. And then see how you feel. When you're healing, a lot of time that first response, you want to just ignore it. You be like, okay, this is my first response. This is my first emotion. You know, you want to just be like, all right, let me just chill out. This is so beautiful. Does anyone see what I see? I wonder. Because I be sitting here like this. Whoa, the pinks. Like I see the colors. Like I see the pinks, the greens. Then you see the palm trees. Then you see the mountains in the background. The cactus flowing in. Like this is just so well placed. Anywho, I could sit here and look at it all day. You know, so fam, just wanna take a moment and let it process. Hold on. The lighting. Take a moment and let it process. And don't be fooled, soul fam, because the more you try to ignore and act like love isn't a factor, the more you're choosing to be bitter. Okay, you either go be loving or bittering. It's one or the other. We're making it a word. Okay? And so, you can have anything in the world, and if you have no one to share it with, because you're not working on those small flaws within yourself, it's going to be a sad day in your world. Because you're going to be sitting there all alone with no one there beside you. And that's a whole nother segment to heal from. Alright, so fam, so take a moment today. Look in the mirror physically and, spiritually. Look into the mirror and say, what can I really work on to make myself a better lover, a better friend, a better person, a better soul. You know, just better with the way the world is moving, the way people are moving, the way people are processing things. How can you just be more more of a positive rather than a negative? Because we got enough negatives. We have enough. You just be like, all right, enough is enough. Enough is enough. We get it. We get it. We got it. Okay? Who? And understand this, so far, you know I always got something great for you. You stick through. I was going to say this in the beginning. We're going to say it now. Because it's great. It's for those that not cheating. You know, when you don't cheat, you get that extra. No, we're not crossing the street. We're not going to do that. We're going to walk this way. So fam, we are vessels. Okay? We are vessels controlled by energy and manipulated by energy. You have the power to choose which one you want to follow. Every moment, every single second, every single moment, you got the power to choose. Am I going to rock with negativity? Or I'm going to just keep with my positive, because I know what positive produces. I know the results that come from being positive and being focused and knowing truth. Okay? And knowing the God you serve. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And trusting that and having that full trust. Okay? Sometimes we don't have full trust. And God see that. You got them fingers crossed behind your back. Like, God, I trust you. But I'm gonna put this application in over here at Mickey D's for the 1 a.m. shift so nobody really see me. That's just, you know what I'm saying? So fam, trust and understand what you operating with, who you operating with, and give yourself that time. All right, book you those sessions. You still ain't book you a session? You've been watching the videos. You've been talking to me through the screen. What's up? What's up, soul fam? Book you a session. Have those elevated conversations. Elevate yourself. Trust yourself. Hey. All right, soul fam. And in order to be a part of the soul fam, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. More importantly, apply the knowledge. Applying the knowledge is key if you really want to succeed and see things start to shift in your life in a positive direction. All right, soul fam. Amelia Adair here. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'm going to see you at the next one. Bye for now.